Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Sunday guys. Sunday for me is always about dessert. And I got me a nice dessert here. Got me a nice good homemade banana pudding. But I ditched those little wafers guys and I used me some Girl Scout Trefoil cookies. This thing is absolutely delicious. So we're going to jump into this video and I'm going to show you exactly how I get it done. Alright guys, so here's my list of ingredients right here. This isn't everything, but got me some Girl Scout cookies right here. The Trefoils, however you want to pronounce it. And I got me some bananas. I got a few more bananas in that. And I got me some bananas, and I'm going to be doubling this pudding recipe to make sure that I have enough pudding. But I'll have just the regular recipe in the description of the video. So right here I got 16 egg yolks guys, some vanilla extract and some whole milk, and I use some all-purpose flour and some butter, but I'll have everything in the description of the video for you. So right now I'm just mixing my all-purpose flour and my sugar together. I'm just going to get those two mixed together, set aside. Then I'm going to come in here and add my milk to my egg yolks. And I'm doubling this thing like I said, so I'm going to be using 8 cups of milk instead of 4. And I realized, okay, this bowl is not going to hold 8 cups of milk. So I ditched that little bowl and went and got me something bigger. Then I realized that 8 cups of milk is really just 1/2 gallon. So after I finally figured that out, I didn't have to measure anymore. I just wanted to get all of my milk in there, rinse out all of that egg yolk, make sure I get those in there. Then I'm just gonna come and just whisk this thing all together. This is a quick, simple recipe guys. Once you try it this way, you will not have to be buying any box pudding or anything like that. I know that box pudding is convenient for some people, but does not compare to a nice good homemade banana pudding. So we just go ahead and get that all whisked in. And I got my Dutch oven here, and I'm just going to come pour my mixture inside of here. Once I get all of this egg and milk in, then I'm going to come and I'm just going to add my flour and sugar mixture to it. And this is where the workout begins guys, because you are going to have to whisk this thing non-stop, because you do not want it to settle on you. You do not want it to scorch for you or scorch on you, because that's just going to ruin everything. So once you get that flour and sugar in, you're going to have to use those arm muscles, and you're going to have to whisk this thing non-stop, consecutively, or repeatedly I should say. But you just keep whisking and whisking, and eventually you are going to see it starting to thicken up right before your eyes guys, and you're going to feel the resistance of it. Once it starts thickening, it's going to get a little bit more hard to keep stirring. As you can see right here, it's starting to thicken up on me pretty fast now, and in less than no time this thing has gotten nice and thick and smooth. And I want it to go just a little bit further. And what I'm going to do is just stop so you guys can see how it's starting to really bubble. That lets me know that it's getting nice and thick just the way that I want it. I just continue to stir it a little bit, then come in here and do a little check on the thickness. And I messed up the film because I was supposed to show me giving it a little swipe, but once you see it nice and clean down the middle, doesn't run over on each side, either side, that's the perfect thickness that I want. So now I'm going to come in and add a couple tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once we have that butter mixed in, you can go ahead and remove this from the heat, guys, because the only thing left to do now is add our vanilla flavoring and our banana extract, and vanilla extract I should say. Then I just got that whipped in. Move this thing off of the heat and let it cool. You could put this together while it's still warm, but I had a tragic accident with it the first time I let it mix, or the first time I mixed it while it was still warm, and after that I just let it basically cool completely. You can see how it thickens up a little bit more for you. And that's going to get even thicker once you put it in the refrigerator and it has a chance to set up. Got my bananas in a bowl here. Put on my glove because I don't want to be handling that banana with my bare hands. I hate the feel of bananas on my bare hands, all slippery and just banana and flour gets on my nerves. I do not do not like working with bananas and flour. So we just get a little bit of our pudding down on the bottom first as we gonna build our layers right here. Then we're gonna come in with our Girl Scout cookies and we're gonna just set those down on top of our pudding here. Alright, once we got our layer of cookie down, we're gonna come and just drop some of our bananas down over the top. You kind of just spread these out. Doesn't have to be perfect, guys. You can just throw these things over the top and you will get a piece of banana in just about every bite. Alright, so once I get that banana in, go ahead and just cover this again with another layer of this pudding. And we're just going to repeat this step until we get it all done. And I think I did 2 layers, I believe this dish holds. I don't know. Anyway, guys, I hope my English teacher, Miss Green, isn't watching this because I just butchered the English language. If you are watching this, Miss Green, you are an absolute wonderful teacher. It is not you. It is just me. Alrighty, guys, so I got my banana pudding all put together here now. We'll bring it up so you guys can see it nice and up and close. This thing is absolutely wonderful. And this dish is so heavy, guys. I paid a nice little price for this dish and it was well worth it because I absolutely love it. I'm going to get this thing in the refrigerator, let it chill, then I'll be back. Take my thumbnails, videos, and give it a taste test. Nice, good homemade banana pudding made with Girl Scout cookies. Alright, guys, coming in with a quick taste test. Got my nice, good banana pudding here, made with some Girl Scout trefoil cookie, however you pronounce it. And we're not gonna waste any time, guys. I'm coming right in. The cookie is already nice and soft. Oops, gotta get a good hold on this thing. I want this thing to slip off of the table on me. Don't slip off of the table on me. Get that. Alright, that's good pudding. That cookie. There's a piece of banana in there somewhere. Alright, give that a try. I tell you, there's nothing like a nice good homemade banana pudding. Stop buying that store-bought pudding. That thing out of the box is horrible. Your banana extract, kick it up a notch too. Nice banana pudding cookie. Oh boy. I'm going to absolutely devour this. Alrighty guys, so this thing was absolutely delicious. I mean, it is absolutely delicious. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And please subscribe to my channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Twitch TV. And I'm on Pinterest, Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Enjoy the rest of your evening, guys. Peace.